Come test drive the 2007 Toyota Camry Solara. The Toyota Camry Solara is the two-door coupe version of the standard Camry. This is a vehicle for people wanting the comfort and convenience of a sedan while retaining the young, sporty feeling of a two-door coupe. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, CD changer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.